You know what? When I am over the age of 55, no one else is going to have these puppies.
She's going to bust out hype beast 80-year-old.
Heck yeah.
I feel like I'm chosen. I'm covered in gold.
Welcome back, friends, to Fauntleroy's Finest. Today we are ready to live cop. We are taking on Supreme Spring Summer 21, Week 7, and we have a few items that we want to take down. I just want to grab one cart, and I want it to be a cart of multiple items, but not too many, because this isn't the best week. If you guys haven't yet, please like and subscribe. I try to make a couple of videos every week, mostly Supreme so far, but I'm going to add some more stuff in there. After you've taken care of this whole liking and subscribing deal, I'll go ahead and move on. Alright, that's enough. You don't have to. Make sure to stick around after the live cop. I bought the lady of the house a set of the Traction Mules from a few weeks ago, and they arrived yesterday. So after the live cop is done, I'm going to let her do a blind unboxing of her new Traction Mules. I'm interested to see what she thinks of them. Oh my god! Alright, I gotta jump over the computer, running out of time. I have to get this one little cart of bricks. Come on!
5 minutes later.
What's up, guys? We are back here at the computer bright and early on a Thursday morning, and you know what that means. It's brick time. We are going to buy as many bricks as we can.
Got powders every color, and I got CCs you ain't seen yet.
Actually, that's a lie. My plan today is to get a couple more boxes of cereal, one of each, a beanie from the Gons collection, and I guess a Zippo. It looks like they're restocking the red Zippos. There is no green Zippo. The green Zippo's a lie. We're going to go for one of the smallest carts ever. I might actually throw in one of the Clayton Patterson hats. Clayton Patterson is actually known for these skull pattern embroidered hats, so I'm going to maybe go for one of those too, maybe the white one. So we're about to get started here. Let's get over to the site here. So I've got hats. I've already got Wheaties in my cart. It's not my first rodeo, guys. It's not the first time that I've done this. I'm not actually running Swift Soul today. I don't think I need it. And if I don't get a cart today, I'm actually even less sad than I would have been last week, which would have been 0% sadness. I'm literally just doing this because I feel like I should make a video, and why not live cop on a Thursday? So I'm going to start refreshing the site now. The first thing I'm going to go for are the hats. So I'm going to grab a beanie and the embroidered hat, and then I'm going to go for a Zippo. And I'm going to try to get out of there quick. 10 seconds, everyone. This is when stuff gets real. This should be the easiest cop of my life. If I don't cop today, Lewis might make me give up. There we go. I want the white one. I want to go to accessories. I want a Zippo. Nothing is opening. It is very dead right now for some reason. There we go. Add to cart. And here we go. Add to cart. And let's go back to hats here. I messed that one up. I will take the blue one. Nah, black. Always black. That's where it's at. Now let's check out. Alright, let's see how easy or how slow this goes. We are processing. Can we get a big win right away? Just one cart. That's all we want. And then we're done. And then I'll give up on this. And then we'll celebrate. Oh, processing. There we go. Boom. 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 Just that simple. See? Lewis, I know how to live cop. Don't tell me I don't know how to live cop. I never had one of the red Zippos before, so I'm happy that we got one of those. The reason I went for the Clayton Patterson hat is because that's kind of what he's known for. They did sit in the EU. I'm sure you can get one even if you're watching this video like on Tuesday. I bet they're still be in stock. And then I just went for the Gons beanie because it's maybe the only item that has any sort of profit for the whole week. All right, jackets are still sitting. This blue one sold out quick in the EU as well. Nothing else. This shirt, this looks like a blurry eye chart. Okay, world famous tee. Honestly, the price on this world famous tee is not horrible. For a premium tee, the price on this isn't bad, but it's not good either. So, and then all the box logos. The gray one is always the best one, and it actually has a little bit of a pop. This one's not bad either, honestly. I mean, you can still get a small black. Like, that thing will be money. And an XL, too. Golly. You can still definitely pick up a small box logo, except for the gray one. Those went out. The Gons stuff is still sitting. Yeah, Gons is still sitting. The black and denim jeans sold out. You can still get the white ones. The Gore-Tex pants, they sold out. I do like the small box logo sweatpants. There's just not a lot to them. Oh, yeah, see, look. The one thing that I bought. I went for, oh, the orange one sold out too. See, there must not be a lot of these. Okay, the linen caps. I could have probably popped one of these in the cart too. Didn't think about it. The boonies sold out. I'm surprised, honestly. Like, they're 60. I mean, what are you expecting to get out of the boonies? I guess the same as the beanies. Beanies are still sitting, and wow, yeah, that thing got sold out. It was sitting in the EU. Yeah, and the Zippos are still sitting. So if you guys are watching this and Zippos are still sitting, you should go grab one. Why not? You could have slept in, rolled out of bed, and basically done what I have done this morning. All right, guys, so we did what we wanted to do here today. I'm going to take you back over here, and we're going to do a small little unboxing, and then that'll be the end of this video.
6.5 hours later.
Okay, guys, so we got a pretty decent little cart right there. Basically all I wanted, and we walked away. We were smart. We got in, got what we wanted, and jumped right back out. But right now, I'm going to do a special unboxing. Hold on a second. I'm going to have a guest. We have a special guest star, if you will. Got the special chair. We could welcome the Lady Fauntleroy onto the channel. This is her debut. There it is.
Do I have to wave like a lady?
Yeah, just speak louder though. Speak like
Hello!
Not that loud. That's too loud.
Hello.
That's sultry. That'll work. Let's do it. Whatever week it was that the North Face came out, they had a pair of shoes that are called Traction Mules. And
I was excited for a second there. Now I'm not so sure.
They're Traction Mules. Previous versions of these were like going for like $500 now. It's crazy. They're just really old, I think, more than anything. Okay, so I got you a box. Here you go. Here is the box. Do you want to open it, or do you want me to do you want to cut it?
You know me with sharp.
I don't trust you. I don't trust her with, because she'll stab me. Cutting it open. Samurai.
See how he's cutting toward me, though?
I have 140 subscribers, so I have to be safe.
Hot dog.
It's not the recommended slicing method. This is like a shanking method. I'll give it to you. Don't. We'll stand back. Stand back here. Uh-oh.
Okay, here.
Oh, God. She almost got me with it.
Okay, so far, so good. We've got paper.
That's Supreme paper. That's Supreme paper, though.
Woo!
Oh, look at there. Look what you got. It's 2 stickers.
Stickers. Okay. Never stop exploring. So these should be my, when I go out to explore the world, I should wear these.
I think you can go out in them. I feel like they're probably more like inside shoes, but honestly, I don't know. Let's open them up. I've never seen them in person before.
Okay. I'm excited.
She's excited.
Yeah, boy.
Okay. They're studded traction mules. They're not gonna fit.
I need a minute.
They're not gonna fit me. So
Wait, so they're house shoes?
I think they're house shoes. Yeah.
Ooh, okay.
They're supposed to be very comfortable.
They're really soft on the inside.
Put them on. This is she can try them on.
Ooh, okay, so super soft on the inside. Is that an hourglass? What is this?
They're supposed to look like studs, like metal studs, like on a collar.
Okay, I'm sorry, because all I think about is the days of our lives. Okay, guys, y'all tell me, because I feel like I see hourglasses.
It's like a collar, a studded collar. It's a print, though, obviously.
Well, the inside feels super fuzzy. And the back of it, it's cute. It's got the logo front, like, top to bottom. Okay, so let me try it on.
Give it a walk.
So wait, this is supposed to be, like, I wear it around the house?
Yeah, does it fit?
Not gonna lie to you. It's not my style, and it feels like...
It looks like an old person's shoe.
Yes, like
Yeah.
I kind of
It
gave
looks
up
like
a
an
little
old
bit.
person's shoe.
It's so comfy though. Like
Yeah.
I'm not hating on anybody who wants to wear
No,
this
that-
because your foot would be so warm.
Fine.
It feels like you should be over 55.
That pattern is very, very strange.
Yeah, it's kind of odd. It
looks comfortable
for
though.
everyone.
I think you
but
definitely could just wear this places, but I don't know.
I
if you could.
wouldn't.
I would not.
I would not.
She would not. I would not. Well, whatever. You got a new pair of shoes.
Thank you so
Not-
much. That's so thoughtful. And you know what? They will keep your feet warm. It's soft. It's comfortable.
I wouldn't recommend this, honestly. Probably. It does look comfortable, though, so she can wear it in the house when nobody's watching. That's about it for this week. I hope you guys had a great time. Thank you again for watching. I want to thank the Lady Fauntleroy for showing up today, and we will see you next video. Bye.
Bye!
I feel like I'm chosen. I'm covered in